A tick! Even worse, it's really got a hold on you. Let's hope this extractor pump can handle more than just poison. Looks like this tick is going on a little flight. This thing sure is versatile. It even gives you duck lips. Ooh, too cold. If only we could personalize the water temperature. With this tent, you can. Just set it up. We can fill it up with temperature-controlled water. And rubber duckies. Can't forget the duckies. Now you can have fun splashing about. It feels like a big one. Reel it in. That's barely a fish stick. Let's try another approach. We need to attach this wire loop and this wooden pole together. What else? Our secret weapon, pantyhose. Let's hope the crayfish don't mind the smell. Use it to make a net, leaving a large hole open. Now let's put it to the test. Look, there's a crayfish right in the water. Do you think you can catch it? It's right on the rim. It's neck and neck now. Oh, what a cutie. I think I will name him George. Okay, he really needs to learn to check his surroundings. I mean, this is already the second time this has happened. Let's hope this camping toilet will help. Just set it up. Don't forget to add a bag inside. And this time, remember, a privy is supposed to be private. Yeah, I'd see a doctor about that. Are you just gonna leave it there? The food is looking pretty good. Where are the bowls? Yeah, Mother Nature doesn't do dishes. Got any ideas? Maybe this foil could help. Wrap around your head. Fold it in until you have a bowl-like shape. I wonder if we could have just used the hat. Scoop the soup into your makeshift bowl and enjoy. Good thing he already had the spoon on hand. And this is why you should have kept the hat. All that eating and you're still hungry? Me too. Wow. Look at all those eggs. It's like a buffet. A small one will do. Now we just need an empty can. Guess if we don't have an empty can, we can make one. Make some small cuts so that it has a little door. Add some wood inside and light the fire. Crack the egg. The top is like a makeshift pan. And wait for the egg whites to turn, well, white.
Whoa.
Rock-a-bye, baby. In the treetop. Yeah, guess the down will come baby bit came early. Here's what to do. Tie some strong pieces of wood to a tree. Once they're secure, lay down smaller pieces down the middle. Cover it up with some soft greenery. Don't forget any pillows or blankets left over from the hammock. If you're not careful, you'll get hurt. Look at that scratch. Well, there's no use crying over spilled iodine. It's time for action. Get some cotton swabs and salvage what you can from the iodine. Inject it into the swab and dress your wound. Let's just hope he's not left-handed. And bring extra iodine. You'll need it. Nothing beats a nice rest at the shore. Except candy. Candy makes everything better.
Oh.
It's delicious. And it sure comes in handy when you forgot to wax. And this is why you remember to wax. Hey, watch your step! Oh no! Well, to be fair, some people pay a lot of money for mud baths. Still, nothing beats a good shower, and we've come prepared. Place one end in water. Good thing we're near a lake. Now it's time for a rinse. You got a little on your face. Those hands, too? Of course, you need more than water. Bring out the soap. Yeah, that hand looks a lot better. In fact, we can give your whole body the once-over. Well, the fire isn't gonna feed itself. There's gotta be an easier way to do this. And there is. This firewood bag not only helps, but there are holes on the side for all the sticks. This is one of those quantity over quality deals, isn't it? All this water and not a drop to drink. It's too hot not to use a gadget. Just add this device to a water bottle. Now place in the water and collect. The device will leave any impurities behind, so you can pour out a nice clean glass of water. Crystal clear. You can see right through it. But who needs a cup? Drink straight from the device. So I guess you don't still have that lighter from before. Either way, this whole thing is thirsty work. These water bottles might just help us fan the flames. Just keep pressing on and save your breath. Now it's time to start roasting. Starting to think these woods have too much wood. Luckily, this pocket saw might be just the thing to help. Just keep going back and forth, and the wood just flies off.
Wow. Yeah.
And it comes in handy when you need more firewood. Guess the forest floor's as good a place as any for a nap. Vacation mode activated. But I'm already starting to miss the great indoors. Camperific stuff. Catch you next time.